Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to add music to your Facebook post. So the first thing that you can do is to open your Facebook application and then tap on the What's on Your Mind to create a post. Okay, and then just type out the post that you want. So for example, let's party. Okay, now to add the music to your post, just tap on the three dots. Okay, that's right. And then scroll down until you see the music option. So just tap on the music and then use the search bar to search for a specific music that you want to add. So for example, party. Okay, just tap on it and it will automatically be added to your post. And then just click on the post option at the top right corner of your screen and then wait for it to be published. Okay, so let's check our post. So as you can see, my Facebook post has a music. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.